The story of Microsoft Windows begins in the early 1980s. Back then, Microsoft had already made a name for itself with the release of MS-DOS in 1981, which became the operating system for IBM PCs. Although successful, MS-DOS had a command-line interface that posed challenges for many users. This complexity sparked the idea of developing a more accessible graphical user interface, GUI, to run on top of MS-DOS. This led to the birth of Microsoft Windows. The journey started with Windows 1.0, launched in November 1985. Featuring a basic graphical environment, it allowed users to manage files and run applications using a mouse for the first time. While innovative, it had room for improvement. Thus, Windows 2.0 arrived in December 1987, bringing better graphics support and enhanced multitasking. It also introduced overlapping windows, a significant step forward in usability. Windows 3.0 marked a pivotal moment when it was released in 1990. It offered an advanced graphical interface, better performance, and broader application support. This version was a commercial hit and positioned Windows as a leading operating system. Windows 3.1 followed in 1992, introducing TrueType fonts and making Windows a viable platform for desktop publishing. The stability and performance of this version were well received. The mid-90s saw the arrival of Windows 95, a groundbreaking release that changed the computing paradigm. Launched in 1995, it introduced the Start menu, taskbar, and minimized windows, greatly enhancing user experience. Building upon this success, Windows 98 came out in 1998, offering better hardware support, improved performance, and internet integration via Internet Explorer. The new millennium brought Windows 2000 and XP. Released in 2000, Windows 2000 was aimed at business users with advanced features like Active Directory and greater stability. Windows XP followed in 2001, blending elements from Windows 2000 and Windows 98. Its user-friendly interface and performance improvements made it one of the most popular Windows versions ever. However, not all releases were without issues. Windows Vista, launched in 2007, faced criticism for its performance inefficiencies and compatibility problems, despite its visually appealing interface and new security features. Microsoft addressed these shortcomings with Windows 7 in 2009, which quickly earned praise for its speed and stability, solidifying Windows' reputation for reliability. The evolution of Windows continued with Windows 8 in 2012, marking a significant shift towards a touch-centric interface for tablets and PCs. It introduced the Start screen with live tiles, but received a mixed reception. Windows 8.1 aimed to refine the experience by reintroducing the Start button and improving customization options. Windows 10, launched in 2015, sought to unify the experience across different devices. It reintroduced the Start menu and focused on incremental updates, receiving positive feedback for balancing traditional and modern features. In 2021, Windows 11 brought a refreshed design with a centered taskbar, updated window management, and support for new hardware technologies, aiming to modernize the user experience and boost productivity.